Big Cat Rescue has been partnered with the Humane Society of Tampa Bay for over 4 years now with our foster kitten program. On June 8, 2017, Big Cat Rescue went in to pick up a mother cat with a litter of 5 kittens consisting of the 500th kitten to be fostered by the sanctuary. We are ecstatic to be a part of such a wonderful program, raising these mother cats and kittens and preparing them for adoption into their forever homes.
So this little guy,
Oh my gosh.
this one is Robert. And this one is Franklin. And this is Tico, a little tuxedo. White shoes. This is Vomma Serena.
And she is a sweetheart.
Oh boy. And this little guy is Manuel. And this is little Tess. It's our 500th kitten.